Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I use my stencils to make beautiful artwork on Canva. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So yes guys, here's my Canva and my stencil. I think I got the Canva at Dollar Tree and the stencil at Walmart. So I have this stencil from around when I just started my YouTube channel back in 2020, and it was just sitting there not doing anything. And I have this Canva sitting around in my stash as well, so I was like, why not do something with them together? And here I'm putting on my tape onto my stencil attached to the Canva so that it stays in place. You can use more tape if you want. I'm just stingy with the tape right now. And here I have my paints. The pink paint, it was a little bit watery, so I didn't use it anymore. I think I tried it and it was just leaking out all over the canvas, so I ended up wiping it off of the Canva and allowed it to dry before I start using it again. So here I'm just applying the blue paint on the flower. I didn't have any more paint like yellow or any other color. All I had was blue, green and black and the pink, and as I said before, that one was leaking through the stencil, so I couldn't use that one. So I just use what I have in my stash. You can always use any color you like. If you have a stencil, you can always get some Canva and use it on it, just like what I'm doing here. I had some sponge that I used to wash my dishes, and it was like getting old, so I was like, why not cut it and use it on here since I'm not doing anything with it. I was just gonna throw it in the trash. And I also bought the one that I'm using in my hand with the handle. I bought those on Amazon with the sponge. So yes guys, right here I'm just applying the green one for the leaves on the top. It was a little bit difficult to apply, so I had to turn it a different way than how I started, so that I can apply it properly on top of the Canva. So that's all I'm doing here right now, guys. You guys tell me what y'all think about what I did with my used sponge. Yeah, just use anything you have. You don't have to go through your way to buy expensive stuff. Right here I'm just applying the black. I made the writing black. Think positive, be positive. And use the same old sponge that I have too. So all you have to do is just dab and dab and dab. Nothing really hard or fancy. All you have to do is to dab the paint on using a stencil, and that's it. And you guys gonna see the result, how it came out. I think I really like it. If it was different colors, I think it would be more beautiful other than the blue and the green, but I think it worked out just fine. I did these for my nieces. I did two of them, this one and another one, which I'm going to post in another video because I didn't want to make this video too long. And yes guys, just applying the last portion of black on the be positive part of the stencil, and here we have it. We're almost done. It didn't take me too long to do it, but the other one take a little bit more time because I have to wait until it dried, because the stencil wasn't like this, but you guys will see when I post the other Canva artwork. So while you're watching, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I know I've been a little bit off with my posting lately because I'm been working on my Amazon store. It's like halfway, I would say halfway or 30% there. I'm trying to get my artwork up on Amazon, and it taking for a long time because I need a new laptop. The laptop that I have is small and need more space, and it's moving slow. So yes, guys, so you all will see me posting more frequently whenever I get that done. And here is the finished product. Remember to cheer me out, guys, and thank you all for watching. Peace. I'm out.